All right, today we're looking at how to connect to your LinkedIn Ads account using the Coefficient add-on. If you do not have the Coefficient add-on, go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and then search for Coefficient in the add-on store. Once you have it installed, then you can proceed with the rest of this tutorial. So go to Extensions, Coefficient, and Launch. And when the sidebar is loaded, you can click Import From. Then scroll down to Suggested Sources. If you do not see LinkedIn Ads here, click on See All Sources, and then you can find it there. Once you have found LinkedIn Ads, go ahead and click Connect, and then Authorize. Then you just fill in your credentials and click Sign In. Type in your verification code, and then once you're there, you can click Start from Scratch, and this will open up your import preview. At this point, you can select the metrics you want to use. If you want to do a pivot or a time granularity, you can also add your date filter, a filter by campaign type, add a sort or a limit. And once you're done with these settings, you can click Import. And when the import is done, then you can select if you want to auto refresh the data. You can set it up here, or you can set it up later. If you don't want to set up right now, you can click Not Right Now. And then over here on your import, you have all those options there. There's the refresh schedule. You can also go back and edit those filters or those metrics you want to display, dates, and then your filter and sort. All right, that is it. I hope that helps you to see how quick and easy it is to connect to LinkedIn Ads using the Coefficient add-on and bring your data straight into Google Sheets.